Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot the logo light in a 23 to current hot spring NXT spa. This logo light has three diagnostic lights, a blue power light, a teal ready light, and a status indicator ring. Under normal operation, your spa logo lights should be solid blue and solid teal. The solid blue power light indicates your spa is properly supplied with power, and the solid teal ready light means that your spa water is within 2 degrees of the set temperature. If you increase or decrease the temperature setting of the spa, the ready indicator will turn off until the water temperature reaches the acceptable range for the new temperature setting. The solid blue power light and flashing yellow status indicator ring mean a few different things. Most of the time it indicates that there is a flow issue, like clogged filters, airlock, bad pressure switch, or a bad circulation pump, but it can also indicate one of these issues. ACE alerts, ACE system fault, E4 peripheral fault, E11 through 16 cool zone offline, or E2 no flow check filter, which is a bad pressure switch, clogged filter, airlock, or a bad circulation pump. When all the logo lights are flashing red, it means that the spa is in high limit trip or protection mode. The LCD screen will display this error message, protection mode. Disconnect the power for at least 30 seconds to reset the heater high limit. If it will not reset, it could be caused by one of these things. High limit thermistor plugged in incorrectly, clogged filter, airlock, bad circulation pump, bad high limit thermistor, bad heater, cold water startup, or voltage spike or power outage. When the power light is solid blue and the status indicator ring is flashing red, it indicates that a problem exists with the temperature control thermistor or the Eagle box. The LCD screen will display 50 degrees on the control panel or this error message, E5 sensor fault. First test the temperature control thermistor, RegTherm. If the thermistor fails the test, simply replace the thermistor. If the thermistor passes the test, it means the Eagle control box is bad and must be replaced. Here is the thermistor testing procedure. Disconnect power from the spa. Set the meter to 20K on the ohm scale. Record the temperature of the spa water. Unplug the thermistor from the control box. Meter across the two thermistor leads. Refer to the temperature versus resistance chart to find the correct resistance value for the temperature measured. If the temperature and resistance do not match that of the chart, this test has failed and the thermistor must be replaced. If the blue power light is off and the status indicator ring is flashing yellow, it means that there is no voltage detected going to the heater. The LCD screen will display this error message, E6, no heater power. Check if the breaker is tripped. If so, reset the breaker. If the breaker is not tripped, there may be a problem with the GFI breaker or the Eagle box. If your logo light is not working, make sure it is plugged in. Confirm that the logo light is plugged into the logo light adapter cable and that the cable is plugged into spa light on the motherboard. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.